we have to talk to many people to take decisions. If we see the liability, then company is more benefited than sole proprietor. So, ma'am, both have
So,
merits
Mohit,
and
I
demerits.
conclude that you are more in favor of public limited company because you want more funds. But on the other side of the coin, you want even sole proprietorship because you want quick decisions and secrecy also.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you, Mohit. Good attempt. Yes, can I have? I was about to take Banchita's name and she left. Yes, Devanshkar. Can I have Devansh? Yes, Devansh.
And yourself.
I'm left.
Okay. Yes, Priya Ayachi.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, if I start a business in future, I would see various factors and I would consider following factors: what type of business I would want to start, how much finance is required for my business, what type of control I would be able to manage, and how many legal formalities I have to go through in future. So I think for me, private limited company would be more suitable because I want my business to grow and expand in future, and I would want that it would have perpetual succession so that my company doesn't come to an end in future, and it goes on expanding, and I don't mind sharing control. That's why it is okay for me to go for a private limited company, and I would also require more funds and capital for my business. If we talk about uh, flexible flexibility of operation, uh, because it was one of the factors that we had to keep in mind. So quick decision is not a problem and secrecy is not a problem because uh, we would have trained professionals, because of which we would be able to keep a good record of our company, and such professionals, they charge high salaries which I think company are which
Top
company
four.
can afford. So I think for me, I would be able to go with private limited company. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Priya. Yes, Rudra Pratap. Rudra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Rudra.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good
Uh,
afternoon, all of you. If I will be having any business in future, then I will go for the sole proprietorship because as we all know, the merit of sole proprietorship that it is single ownership and one man control. So, if for that I would like to take an example. If I would I means I would like to open any coaching institute in future. Then firstly I will go for the survival part. Then I will study about it because if I'm starting any kind of business, then survival part is more important, and for that I will look after for the competitors in the market. That means how many peoples are working, which I'm with the work I'm going to start. And then for the next point I will cover up that the growth means first the survival part is clear, then I will try to focus on the growth because I am starting any business to earn profit. And for the growth purpose I will provide a best quality of teaching so that I will be in competition to means to beat the my competitors and to grab more and more audience. And I would also in favor of partnership because if someone is starting any kind of business, their main objective is to earn profit. And if I'm not getting that much profit, and means I'm not making that much revenue, then if someone is inviting me or offering me to have a partnership, then I will go for it. And because the main purpose is to earn profit. And means agar if he wants me to join and we both can make more profit and profit, then partnership is also a best option. So both
so,
sole
Rudra,
proprietorship and
Rudra, 1 second.
yes, ma'am.
Here, when we are talking about partnership, can you just throw light on whether LLP or normal partnership?
No, ma'am,
Limited
it's
li
normal partnership.
Why not LLP? क्यों LLP तो इतने बेनिफिट्स दे रही है सरकार आपको, तो why not LLP? उसमें आपकी लाइबिलिटी का फैक्टर किसी ने नहीं उठाया. व्हेन यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट प्राइवेट लिमिटेड कंपनी, आप सबसे पहले बोलो भी मैं माय पर्सनल पॉकेट इज सेफ हियर. My personal assets are safe. In the similar manner, in an LLP, what will happen? Liability is limited. So you are playing in a safer side. Why रुद्र ये तो
But
नई.
ma'am,
हाँ बोलिए.
if I am starting any institute, coaching institute, then it is not a requirement of any government. Means like government का involvement होना ही नहीं चाहिए. मतलब इसमें क्या government का कुछ
वो तो
involvement
सिर्फ
होगा?
एक LLP के लिए सी आप एक पार्टनरशिप में कर रहे हो तो आपको सिर्फ व्हाई डू यू वांट, क्योंकि आप अपनी उसमें लाइबिलिटी कम करना चाहते हो, तो यू कैन स्टार्ट इट एज एन LLP आल्सो. इफ यू वांट टू हैव वेरी बिग कोचिंग सेंटर, आप स्लोली स्लोली उसको एक्सपैंड करते हो इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग इनटू अ नॉर्मल पार्टनरशिप. नाउ द ट्रेंड इज ऑफ LLP नाउ. नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट्स योर.
Yes,
अभी आप
ma'am.
2-4 बार पढ़ोगे देन यू विल बी मोर क्लियर विद द फैक्टर्स. Yes, can I have it from Devansh
Yes,
Garg?
ma'am.
Thank you, Rudra. Devansh Garg.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Rudra. Devansh Garg. Mohit Rajoria. Why don't you both leave then? Devansh Garg. Okay, listen to their points, then I'll ask you in the end. Basically, there are few students only in the class. Yes, Shruti Patania. Shruti. Shruti Patania. Yes, Utkarsh. Utkarsh. Am I audible? उसी टाइम सोचना पड़ जाता है that we are not audible, I think. Yes, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, if I would start a business in future, so I would go for a private limited company. Because ma'am, a private limited company is the most common vehicle to carry on business for an entity intending to make a profit and enjoy the benefits of an incorporated entity. And excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shruti, I'll take up again.
Yes.
Your turn will be next.
And the point I would keep in mind while opening a business will be, first of all, nature of business. The nature of business has an important bearing on the choice of form of ownership. And second one will be size and area of operation. Large scale enterprises catering to national and international markets can be organized more successfully as private or public companies. The reason is that large sized enterprises require large financial and marginal resources which are beyond the capacity of single person or a few partners. And third point will be degree of control desired. A person who desire direct control of business prefer proprietorship rather than the company business. There is a separate of ownership and management in the latter case. Fourth point will be, ma'am, amount of capital required. The fund required for the establishment and operation of a business has an important impact on choice enterprises require heavy investment. Iron or steel, example, iron or steel plants. And fifth point will be degree of risk involved. According to me, it's the main point of it. The volume of risk and willingness of owner to bear it is an important consideration. A single individual may have large financial resource sufficient for medium scale enterprises, but due to unlimited personal liability, he may not like to organize as a proprietor or a partnership. 6 point. Division of surplus. A sole trader receives all the profit of his business, but he also bears all the risk. If a person is ready to bear unlimited personal liability and desire maximum shares of profit, proprietorship and partnership are preferable to company form. 7 point. Duration of business. Temporary and ad hoc ventures can be organized as proprietorship and partnership as they are easy to form and dissolve, but they lack continuity and stability. Enterprises of a permanent nature can be better organized as joint stock companies and cooperative because they enjoy perpetual succession. And the last point, government regulation and control. Proprietorship and partnership are subject to little regulation and controlled by the government. Companies and cooperatives are, on the other hand, subject to server restriction and have to publish their accounts. It is also easier to maintain secrecy of business in case of proprietorshipness and partnership. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Utkarsh. Can I have the source of your information? From where have you just collected your information?
Ma'am, a bit from magazines, from my father, and some from Google.
That is what I'm asking. Which Google site?
मैम मैम बुक में लिखा था तो याद नहीं है.
Okay. Chalo, at least a good research. You had done your work. Yes, Shruti. Where were you earlier, Shruti?
Actually, the moment you called my name, I lost the network.
No problem. Yes, Shruti. I hope Shruti is, yes, it's Naman and Shruti. Devansh Garg and Mohit Rajouri are not speaking anything. They're annoyed. I don't know why. Yes, Shruti.
So, good afternoon, everyone. So, the point I was going to discuss is discussed by ma'am already when she was talking to Rudra. I was going to discuss LLP, so I'll just put light on that only. So, first of all, I believe that partnership is better, like any like from any other like business forms, because partnership may, like, if we do something, if we face loss, the faces have been lost by the both or the jitne bhi partners hai, like because uh, like partnership, I know, like it's unlimited liability, but if I choose the limited liability partnership, the government is giving a lot of like advantages over there. Like partnership is like easier to form, and if I choose LLP, then registration is compulsory. Like in normal partnership, registration is not compulsory. If you want, we can register it, but LLP as accounts, my accounts will be maintained properly, and they will be audited, and they will be properly like written properly. I can show it to the public, but in the normal partnership, if I talk about that, then the accounts, there is a secrecy where I have the choice if I want to share my accounts or not. So in normal partnership, we cannot gain like public trust, but in LLP, I can, because it's under the law, and I have shared my accounts, and yeah, and here in LLP, um, like in LLP, there can be perpetual succession if I want. If I want my family to
That's the
continue
benefit
with the
you.
partnership,
That is
sorry.
the benefit you're given. Perpetual succession benefit you're given in an LLP.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, if I want my family to continue the business, if I want to continue the partnership after my death, then my family can join that. Maybe there's a contract in which I have to like
It goes
write
to
everything.
it goes to your legal descendants automatically. But only thing is the transfer, how somebody passes away, then the property is passed on to the legal heirs. That is the system. It is by law. That is according to the will or testament. छोड़कर जाते हैं, will लिख कर जाते हैं. Then also, even if they don't leave it, it has to go to the legal heirs. In case there is no legal heirs, then it goes to the government, but they find the legal heirs for a number of generations. यहाँ से ढूंढेंगे वहाँ से. So there is a long list of legal heirs given in the law, but अभी तो इतनी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. But law has given prescribed number of legal heirs कि दूर दूर तक रिश्तेदार तक पहुंच जाता है कि if you do not have the direct relatives, तो किसके तक जाती है? So it stays in the relatives amongst themselves. So can I give the next turn, Shruti, if you're done?
And by the government if we start LLP. So I like the idea of LLP, and I would want to like start this kind of business in future if I get a chance.
Okay, thank you, Shruti. Devansh, as far as your mic is concerned, if you can write your few points on the register and click a screenshot and send me, that will be very appreciated. Right, Devansh? And Mohit Rajoria. अगर नहीं बोलना है तो please do it. Mohit Rajoria is not there. So yes, Naman. Yes, Naman. Not audible, Naman. Mic is not working, Naman. You've unmuted, but we can't listen you. So I would like everyone to read page number 94 on your in your books. That is Poonam Gandhi. That is choice of form of business organization. A number of factors were discussed by all the students. जब आप ये डिसाइड करते हो भाई मैंने कौन सी बिजनेस एंटरप्राइज में काम करना, द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग इज व्हाट टाइप ऑफ बिजनेस यू आर स्टार्टिंग. आर यू स्टार्टिंग इट इन a smaller scale or on a larger scale? If you're starting only a small bakery, you can't have a company, you can't have it run into a partnership. Naman, anyway, Sahil, you want to say something? Sahil, can I get a reply from you? You're not marked present, don't worry. It's only the students who marked presented, they got it.
मैं घरी घरी निकल रहा हूँ अपने आप से ही.
हाँ,
मैम मैं बारिश की वजह
मुझे
से
नहीं
अपने आप
समझ आया.
निकल रहा हूँ मैम मीटिंग से.
अच्छा, अभी आप मीटिंग में हो तो आप बोल सकते हो अगर आप बोलना चाहते हो तो.
हम
आप
टॉपिक
जैसे
क्या
बोलना
है?
चाहते हो. टॉपिक तो बेटा कल ग्रुप में दिया था ना कि अगर आपके लिए, जब हमने इतनी सारी फॉर्म्स ऑफ बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन पढ़ी हैं, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू विच इज द बेस्ट बिजनेस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन.
यस मैम.
अगर आप सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में काम करते हो तो बहुत ज्यादा बिजनेस एक्सपैंड नहीं कर पाओगे.
मैम पर ये हो सकता है ना, जैसे अगर पार्टनरशिप में काम करेंगे तो प्रॉफिट्स दोनों को बांटने पड़ेंगे, डिसीजन दोनों को लेने पड़ेंगे. पर अगर सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप में करेंगे तो अकेले डिसीजन लेना पड़ेगा. जो प्रॉफिट होगा अपना ही होगा और जो लॉस होगा वो भी अपना ही होगा.
मगर लाइफ में फिर उतनी कंटेंटमेंट सिर्फ उतनी ही रखनी पड़ेगी आपको.
मैम पर आगे जाके जब बिजनेस बढ़ेगा तब पार्टनरशिप में जा सकते हैं ना अपन.
Right, Sahil is right. Like we have the example of Coca-Cola, which I had shared with you in the class, that they started, even eBay started as sole proprietors. But when they wanted to expand, they had a lot of opportunities. You can always convert your form of business into other companies. Now see, you can change even private limited company. So these are the options available with you. Whenever you want to expand, you can expand your business the way you want it. But I was shocked. Nobody said cooperative societies in the class. Nobody wants to work for the welfare. Nobody.
When we want profit, no.
That is what I wanted to listen. कि आप want to work for the welfare of the members, or you want to work to take. Yes, हाँ जी रुद्र.
मैम पहले अपने लिए कर लेंगे, फिर वेलफेयर भी कर लेंगे मैम.
सो उसके लिए आपके पास है ना CSR, कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी.
मैम बट इवन इफ वी गो फॉर कोऑपरेटिव्स ओनली, एक से तो काम नहीं चलेगा, सब कोई वो वेलफेयर वाला होना चाहिए.
हाँ, so there has
that too we we have to discuss each and every point to everyone, and if somebody does not agree, that's the disadvantage.
But there also in cooperative societies, the management is into the hands of the managing committee. जैसे कंपनी में बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स है, वहां मैनेजिंग कमेटी सब मैनेज कर रही है. But then we have examples like Amul also. We have examples like IFCO. Lijjat Papad एक छोटे से it was started by just
मैम
starting. हाँ जी साहिल.
मैम रिलायंस सोल मतलब एक अकेली कंपनी है ना, मतलब
आप बताओ मुझे.
क्योंकि मैम उसको एक ही बंदा रन मतलब जो मैनेजर है वो एक ही है, मतलब कोई पार्टनर नहीं है उसके साथ, चेयरमैन है.
अच्छा, आपने कभी देखा है रिलायंस के शेयर्स होते हैं, कुछ ऐसा कुछ है पढ़ा
हाँ
आपने
मैम
कभी?
वो देखा स्टॉक में.
तो जो कंपनीज जो शेयर्स इशू करते हैं उनको क्या कहते हैं? जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, वो सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप तो नहीं रहती ना बेटा साहिल. इसका
गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज होती है.
नहीं, गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज तो गवर्नमेंट की होती हैं, वो हम अगले चैप्टर में पढ़ने वाले हैं. गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज वो होती हैं जिसमें 51% शेयर्स जो हैं सरकार के पास होता है. लाइक वी हैव रेलवेज, लाइक वी हैव डिफेंस, वी
मैम
लाइक
पर
वी हैव
अगर
आर्म्ड फोर्सेस.
सरकार का लॉस हो
आप
गया तो
मुझे साहिल मुझे सिर्फ ये बताओ, जो कंपनी शेयर इशू करती है, इसका मतलब पता क्या है? कि चैप्टर एंड हो गया और आपको नहीं क्लियर हुआ है. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कंपनीज आर दोस साहिल जो शेयर्स इशू करती हैं?
मैम पता.
They are companies which are called public limited companies. साहिल प्लीज चैप्टर पढ़ने की जरूरत है. Yes Parth, you want to say something?
Ma'am, Google is also partnered with Reliance and other companies.
Yes, that is what is it called? Yes Parth, anyone? When any big two companies, they like we have example of Vistara, Singapore Airlines with Tata. तो जब दो कंपनीज ज्वाइन करती हैं, what is it called? Joint ventures. They're called JVs, joint ventures. पार्थ हम ये आगे पढ़ने वाले हैं. You're right. जब ये ऐसे पार्टनरशिप करते हैं दो कंपनीज, इनको हम कहते हैं they have signed a joint venture. They're working as joint ventures, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I hope I'm good that you asked this point, Parth. Anyone else? I'm happy you all participated, even though I got less students, but it was nice that everyone presented, and I think you have सबके पास points हैं, सब बोलना चाहते हैं, but I think I don't give a chance to all of you. You can always stop me in between, मैम आज नहीं करना है. But thanks to Raidu sir for this. He had given me his lecture today. He had some work today. So anyways, we'll club like this more classes so that we have more communication between both the classes. Thank you everyone. I'll take up this choice of form of organization, but you read page number 94.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Bye everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम